on. Hey. Jojo. Guys, so yeah, I'm gonna have to take this off just to see if that's a good ground. Because you know, fuck, I need my meter, man. I need my meter. First things first, what I want to do is test my ground, make sure I got a good ground on this lighting system, mainly on the camera. So that's what we're focusing on. We know based on the book that this is our power supply here. You can see we're grounded, and our red is going to hot. It's a DC system, so it's a little different from a AC system as far as color codes go. But yeah, this is a 12 to 24 volt system, and I'm talking about the looping camera system. And basically, I'm gonna put my black here, put my red here. As you can see, I got continuity on my meter. Hoping you guys can see that. So anyway, I go to my ground, and now I'm going down. And, you know, that's really good. Okay, obviously the casing. Put everything to the screws, and anything that's connected to the bike is connected, which is distributed through the tires on the ground. Okay, so now, that being said, I'm thinking we got a loose connection. Okay, so what I did was we did a ground test. Everything looked good. I looked at the wires. Everything looked good. Nothing looked loose. They did a good job on that. So I had to examine the cameras just to see what was going on with them. And I noticed on camera number 1, I'll show you guys, the front camera. I have to start the bike, so forgive the audio, but I love the sound. Alright, so you'll see camera 1. It doesn't, that's a beautiful thing. There you go. Starts glitching like that, and I found that if I hold it, the glitching stops. So what it is a vibration issue. To eliminate that, okay, so even in picture, I'm not getting the glitching. My apologies for not getting the GoPro right on the interface. face of the camera.
So basically,
system, so you could see the glitching stop. But
remount this camera.
That was the remedy there, is just to somehow figure out how to get that vibration to stop transferring to the camera, so that we're not getting that glitch in the recording or the visual off of the screen.
So yeah, guys, I got a situation, and hopefully audio sound is willing to rectify it, because at this point I'd have to take it apart to get to the camera to move it, and I really don't want to do that. Or I can find a way to shore it up so it doesn't vibrate, and then thus solving the problem. It's just, yeah, we have to think about. This is heat. So yeah, we just gotta clean this puppy up.
As always, thanks again for watching, guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you soon.